बेच सकते हैं, ठीक है। रिलीजियस यूज ओ ओ रेस्ट रेडी
रूपस एलिप्टिकस बोटैनिकल नेम है।
ओ
RUBUS ना रूपस।
अरे
मैं बोलूँगी ना।
Hi everyone, so we are in Shimla in Himalayan Forest Research Institute. So I'm Samriti and she's Meku. Please subscribe to our channel, okay?
she's the only one who's फर्स्ट फ्लोर बोला कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल यहाँ तो आके बड़ा लग रहा
Done lot of work.
Out of all this, I found this one the most interesting. See stratification in cow dung.
In northeast, I guess Juniperus recurva is there.
कौन सा
Recurva.
रिकर्वा?
Recurva, we have it in shrubby form, but in northeast and wherever it is, so there it is in tree form. But in like here we have it in shrubby form. So it's difficult to germinate. That's the reason they have developed this technology so that somehow we may assist the forest department help in raising this.
डॉक्टर पीताम्बर नेगी।
Dr. Pitambar Negi is one of the very senior scientist. He has been working on this. I guess he has been working for quite long
time.
Yeah, of this area. Yeah. So this is Picrorhiza curua is there, and then these are one of the two important medicinal plants of this region. So again, see, we were talking about illicit trade, right? So illicit trade of medicinal plant is like it's a problem. It's a problem area. So these two species they have.
Fruits are used for blood purifier. Work as blood purifier.
Local name is also given that mushkbala.
मुस्कवाला and other
Kutki.
Kutki.
Kadu, kutki.
Okay. So again, Bankagri. This is like again medicine plant, very important and quietly used by local people also. So Sinophyllum hexandrum, Bankakdi. It bears fruit like kakdi is cucumber. Cucumber in Pahadi dialect we call it as a kakdi. The fruit it's a like smaller version of that cucumber kind of thing. Very small. So that's why it's Heard about it, no? So it's known as Kedar Pati. Kedarnath is also there, Badrinath is also there. Kedar Pati they call it there. So Kedar Pati, Kedarnath from there. Anatomy teacher only, anatomy teacher.
This, ma'am, this leaf है ना ma'am ये जो?
Leaf. It smells good. It's fragrant leaf, but I don't know because it has been collected for so long. I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
sure whether it
Fever, cold, skin ailments like smallpox maybe, and as a natural pesticide. Texas Walichiana.
Walichiana only, but earlier used to call it as like Texas Baccata only, but
Oh.
Baccata particular is restricted to Western world.
Yes.
Weighing balance kind of, not balance, the weighing measure for that, Rati, because it is believed that all the seeds.
This is Himalayan region species, high altitude species.
And also this you would find in, it's a kind of where you would find the marshes, there you would find it.
Oh.
You won't find it in like exposed area.
Yes.
You would find it in the marsh.
Moist
That's the reason
locations.
you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
ये species ये की थी डॉक्टर जगदीश ने इनकी आई थिंक हाँ when
Alpine ends and alpine meadows starts, there you would find this particular state animal is our this snow leopard.
NCR
Biodiversity of Himachal Pradesh. Be around. Okay, priority would be trees. So
Chilgoja pine.
and this should be some other species. It could be ABs or something like that. I don't know. We have to check. ये वाला कौन सा होगा?
ये मेरे ख्याल में
उसका पाइसिया पुइसिया का तो
हाँ
नहीं है.
ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे
पाइसिया पुइसिया का भी हो सकता
पाइसिया का है
So, okay,
Rai or
this is
Kosa.
Acer. Acer is like what?
So much, ma'am.
Does artificial inoculation reduce the need of chemical fertilizer?
You are so beautiful. वादियों में टकरा चुके हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कहीं ना लगाया हमने किसी से किससे सुने यूं तो कहीं. तो हम लोग 4 इंसान सुबह सुबह ट्रैकिंग पे और निकले हैं. 4 AM हाँ, आप लोग नज़ारा देख सकते हैं. बहुत थक गया, हवा भी बहुत ठंडा है यहाँ का जी. पूरा डिहाइड्रेट हो गया. सो हाय फ्रॉम हियर. से हाय एवरीवन.
So tired, guys.
ये शिमला का नज़ारा ऊपर ऊपर. How can you guys forget so easily? Don't you remember? मिल गया हम लोग को प्रोफेसर और लोग. लाइफ एट शिमला. क्या किया तुम? क्या किया तुम? गला पकड़ के ऐसे दिलते हैं. बदतमीज कहीं का. और मैं पकड़ो तो पब्लिक में असॉल्ट कर रहे तुम. साला जींस में तो आज जब बदतमीज
दूसरों का मुंह काला करते करते तुम्हारा चांद निकलने वाला था.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
अंकल, पढ़ने वाला तो डिस्टर्ब मत कर. दूसरा जैसे रहता है वैसे रहो.
लड़ाई मत करो.
There are two Christians. Content panara ke.
Yeah. Everywhere I go, baby be like, you so